Everyone thinks the Norman conquest succeeded because William was a brilliant military strategist. But victory actually came down to one Saxon soldier named Godwin, who couldn't stop sneezing on October 14th, 1066. Godwin was assigned to hold Harold's dragon banner during the Battle of Hastings, the most important job on the battlefield. But Godwin had developed a violent allergy to his new woolen cloak. Every few minutes, uncontrollable fits. During one massive sneeze, he dropped the banner. Saxon troops saw it fall and thought King Harold was dead. They fled. William won, and that's why English courts spoke French for the next 300 years.